Hi, thank you for tuning in. I am Ambarish, a Mumbai-based Microsoft certified professional, and this video is about the filter function available to Microsoft Office 365 Excel users. This actually is my second video on this topic, which is filter function. So first, let's quickly understand that the video is not about the filter feature, which is available right here in the ribbon. We all know that filter is available as a feature in Microsoft Excel's ribbon in either the home tab or the data tab. Well, I can obviously right click and look for the filter option also. I can use one of those shortcuts like Control Shift L, Alt DFF, Alt AT, but I am not going to speak about all this because all these are about the filter feature. All right, this video is about the filter function. Now I already made a video about the basic idea about the filter function with just one condition. Okay, so the example which I had taken was, this is the database given to me. I have purposely taken a small database of just 15 line items with one header. This is a trainers collection, trainers database, and here in this example I have filtered trainers with an experience of more than or equal to 10 years. Yep, this is explained already in the first video which I made. You can obviously go to the YouTube search bar and type Excel filter function video 1 Ambarish Tarte, right? This video is about a different condition. Let's try and see if the filter function helps us when there are two conditions. My requirement here is I would like to filter trainers who teach English. So you can see there is this English in the training expertise column with an experience of 10 or more years. So the first condition of 10 or more years still remains, but this time I only want English trainers. I repeat, my requirement is I would like to filter only English trainers with an experience of 10 or more years. Okay, so had it been the normal filter feature, you would have simply just applied the drop downs. You would have chosen English from here, and we would have chosen 10 or more from here in the number filters section. So that's very simple. Let's see how this can be done using the filter function, all right, not the filter feature anymore. Okay, so I come somewhere here, maybe I start with the equivalent to symbol. I type FIL. Yep, that's the filter function. Do a tab. Now the very first function argument is array. I can simply just Control Shift right, Control Shift down from A to. I'm not really concerned about the header. The header can always be copy pasted later, just above this cell where I'm doing the functions. That's fine. Okay, now I put a comma. It asks me for my next function argument, which is include. Now this is where I need to specify my given conditions. Okay, now there are two conditions here. I have to apply a case of and, because the trainer has to be an English trainer and he or she has to have an experience of 10 or more years. So this definitely is a case of and. So let's see, how do we solve this? So I start with a bracket, opening bracket, parenthesis. I select the entire column of experience in terms of years and say greater than or equal to 10. Of course, like I have done here, I could have used the external cell like I've done here, but yeah, let's go with typing the 10 within the function. Now, since that condition is over, I will close the bracket. So I'm done with my first condition. Now, because this is a case of and, let's use the star symbol here and open up the bracket for my next condition. Remember, in school or in college or in universities, we were taught multiplication is and, addition is or. So if you have a case of and, you would use the star symbol, the multiplication symbol, the asterisk. If it's a case of or, you would use plus. Yeah, the same logic applies here as well. Okay, so what's my next condition? My next condition is the trainer has to be with an expertise on English. So I choose that expertise column first, second now, right? Control Shift down. I've already chosen the experience column first. Now it's the training expertise column equal to English, right? The spelling of English has to be the way it is given to you in the data. And that's it. I'm done with specifying both the conditions. I can now put the comma. I'm done with my parameter number parameter number 2, which is include. And then it says if empty, which means if there is no trainer found, if there's no trainer with that condition, then what is it that Ambrish would like to display? Well, I would like to display a blank then. So double quotes, double quotes. That's it. I am done. I can simply just hit enter twice. Well, I like to hit enter twice when there's more than one parenthesis open. So enter, enter. And that's it. I've got the answer. There is just one trainer here who teaches English and has got an experience of 10 or more years. And that's Wilfred. Superb, right? Okay, let's just press F2 here and see if it works if I change this to Microsoft Excel. So I type, okay, in the data it says Microsoft Excel if you look at the column A, and that's it. Enter, and see, you got 3 trainers this time, right? Now let's quickly just check what happens if I do a plus here. Okay, remember I said plus means the condition is a case of or. So now when I do a plus, I will get all the trainers with an experience of 10 or more years, as well as all Microsoft Excel trainers. That's it. I do a enter, and there you go. Got the answer. See, got all of them. So this, my friends, is the beauty of the filter function, right? I hope you've liked the video. I hope you've understood the use of the filter function. Try this out and let me know if it works for you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice one.